Hello, in this video I will show you about my this tomato plant which we have grown in a small pot, and you can see this is growing and growing and growing. This keep growing, which is really nice. It's almost 5 feet tall and spreaded everywhere, and have almost 16 tomatoes we have found so far. And I would like to show you what type of tomato seeds we have sown in this one. So this was the packet which we have sown in the, and you can see it's from, usually we are in this blue zone, and then it says you have to outdoor planting date is somewhere March and June, and these are the timing for the seed and anything. So it has all the details. So let me show you what type of the seeds it have. And then we have sown these somewhere in the December, and you can see very tiny, there are more inside here. So these are the tiny seeds we have sown, and then let me show you the fruits. So here you can see these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this tomato is getting red. This is almost started from green to red. Let me show you from this side. Here you can see, we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 7 8 9, and then there are here 10 11 12, and this is one more here, 13, and this side also I have seen. Here you can see this one, 14, and there are 2 more very small tiny tomatoes are coming out very soon. And I have noticed in this, because this is too hot right now, and I noticed these plant turn their leaves in the folded form. So I think this is because they are trying to save the water. Old leaves are becoming, you can see all these old leaves are folded now. So however, we are watering every evening, and this plant is almost we started from the December, and then it's almost July, so probably it's slowly growing, but it is growing now. And we have almost 16 tomatoes, so let's see how many we can grow, and then I will show you when I will harvest the tomatoes from here. I'm really excited about this. First time I have seen these many tomatoes in the pot, so I will show you. And thank you for watching this video.